Tonight, a mother, wasted on a bridge, screaming in traffic, while her little boy breaks down right beside her. Officers show up to move her to safety, but she doesn't just argue. She turns the whole bridge into a fight. And what happens next? She slips cuffs, climbs into the front seat of a patrol car, and the situation goes from messy to dangerous.
In regards to a highly intoxicated woman who was causing a major disturbance on a bridge.
I'm Officer Kinney. I'm with the St. Augustine. Okay, I'm with the St. Augustine Police Department. I don't have a problem with you. I don't know you.
Right.
I don't know your little boy here.
Yes.
Okay, but
I'm being confronted, undocumented, for no reason. Like your.
I'm sorry. Can you 10-9?
St. Augustine is hit or miss, whether or not you hit evil or you hit good.
If someone can start rolling this way, just code 1, just because I'm in the middle of traffic holding everything up. So because of where we're at right now, what I'm just asking is if you and I can just have an adult conversation.
I'm always up for adult conversation.
All right. Would you prefer to walk that way?
I would prefer to have documentation of your copies of record.
Okay.
Of the complaints.
Okay, well, I've gotten 2 phone calls so far. Okay.
I would love documentation.
Okay, well, I can't provide that to you right now in the middle of the bridge, okay?
Can you?
I'd be more than happy to get that to you, but what I'm wondering is, for our safety and for the vehicles...
Do you think we're unsafe right now? On this solid brick?
Here, I've got... You're cussing at me,
Am I cussing?
Yes.
How have I cussed at you?
Okay.
When have I cussed at you? Because I feel
You've been using the F word ever since I got here.
Really?
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not right now.
Because I haven't used the F word at all.
Okay, sweetie, are you okay?
So you are the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so get back in your pocket.
I'm going to recommend that you
that you get in your SUV. Because you are making shit up that is not happening. And I will contact my lawyer.
Okay.
You cannot resist us.
Okay.
You want to be a cop right now? Go right ahead.
Yeah,
we will wait it out.
I'm thinking she's going to fight. So
it's not a fight.
Okay.
It's a ground.
Well, so here's
because she wants to interfere with my opening.
Yeah.
How was I
Okay. Sweetheart. Sweetheart, are you okay? You're not okay.
Please document it.
Okay.
Is that documented?
Okay.
Is that documented for court? Is that documented for court? Is it documented for court? Because that's what we're talking about. What are we doing?
We're going to put you in handcuffs.
For what? Are we just going to talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
Everybody on this bridge is nice? You vetted them? You sure they're not
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape. Because that's not true.
There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me. Okay?
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed, and I am happy, and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
Do you want to get on here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge.
Replay the tape right now before we leave. Stay still.
I'll let him get in front with me.
Okay.
Stay still.
Thank you.
Before we replay the
Could you
tape.
step over for me?
Because I have not cussed
step
at you.
over.
Come on.
Until you admit that I have not cussed at you once, I'm not.
Would you please?
Can you please just...
No, I'm not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Just don't kick me, okay?
I would love to. I'm not going to.
I'm a nice guy. You don't want to.
Are you? Well, she's not a nice girl. She's a corrupt cop. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up.
Folly molests people
Okay.
all the time.
Don't just
Piece of
step
shit.
in.
No, I'm not stepping into the fucking truck for no fucking reason. What? I'm a piece of shit. You will pay for this.
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, she's okay, okay? Just push in the car. Will you come over here with me? Watch your step up there, okay?
Papa 2999 St. John's. Show 1 detained. She's going to be in back of my vehicle. We can clear everyone off the bridge.
Hey, carry in. Hold on 1 second. Oh. Open your front door. Open your front door.
You mace me now. You gonna mace a 5 foot, 3 foot girl for what? Fucking walking across the bridge? No.
We got her, Jack.
Zach, you've got handcuffs?
Get her.
Yeah, good luck getting them together. Bitches.
Get her legs. Get her hand. Her hands are good.
Gonna look at me. Oh God, you guys are
Joey, here, grab the shackle.
shit. Your shit stinks so bad. It's so fucking heartbreaking. It's so fucking heartbreaking. It's so fucking heartbreaking. That's how corrupt
We're still
you
trying to get
are.
under control.
And you just took my baby from me. Yes, I will resist.
Get her in the car. Get these on.
Fuck the police.
Yes.
The corrupt police that you are. You are out for every mother.
Shackled.
What is her deal?
Yeah, what is all this deal? What is this deal?
We got her secured.
Because I
got her.
told you the truth?
What's going on?
Because I'm a whistleblower?
Oh, she's got battery on Leo. I know that much. And disorderly conduct. She's wrapped her on my leg cap.
Alright, let go. Get her off.
Let go of his leg.
Let go of his leg.
Tell him to let go of me.
Get off my leg.
Right there. Hold on.
I will trade one life for another. Asshole.
Fucking hell.
I can't wait for you to go to
She needs to be
court.
hobbled
I will
and placed in that car. We can't lift her up one more time.
You f***ing the wrong bitch and her baby. You fucking for what? For what?
Where's Embry?
He's got the kid.
Alright. We pick her up on all four sides. We'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Someone grab the legs. Two
Yes.
grab the front, and we'll just throw her in there.
Can we get this wrapped around her? No, I'm doing it differently. Even if you have to tie it up more.
Yeah, what's I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Why? I'm being charged. I'm treated like a animal in the first place. There hasn't even been an exchange of
We
conversation.
check her while she's down. We search her and
God,
all.
I cannot wait till Morgan and Morgan
What?
talk about this.
Ready? One.
I really get
Cat coming in. Cat coming in.
You are losing your jobs, bro. You
Got her?
go f yourselves. Get the off of me, fucking pervert.
Stop.
You stop. You can't force me. Do whatever the I want. I'm in the cab. Oh, you feeling real good? Aren't you? I'm already detained, you pervert.
You want to kick me in the face one more time?
Oh, you
Huh?
want to detain me for no asshole? Oh.
Stop hitting me.
Oh yeah,
Hey.
stop detaining me for
Can you
some
grab my glasses?
reason. Pervert.
You slipped out the handcuff.
What?
She slipped out the handcuff.
Oh, back up, back.
Ooh,
Get the handcuff on her hand. Get the handcuff on her hand.
Yeah, what is this for? Oh,
We're gonna
oh
have
my
to dump her
god.
out. We're gonna have to dump her.
Going on.
Hey,
Hey, grab my glasses and shit right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to
Grab
be
her legs. She can only kick us
grab
from
her
here.
legs.
Grab the shackles.
Grab her legs. Grab her shackles for what?
You got that on?
Because you don't know what to do with an unbounded soul. One that can't be bought. Like you. You all are bought. You bots. Bots.
She's not shackled.
You are not.
She's shackled, but her hands.
What are her hands? Feet? No.
Yeah.
You fucking
No,
bots.
they're not.
I got
It is fucking so heartbreaking that you
I got it.
sold your souls of America. What? A
Yeah, but if she's
draw
shackled from her feet to her
interaction?
hands anymore.
No.
For what?
Hold on.
You know this is all recorded. And the shit that you were saying.
Yeah.
Is my hat over there?
My son has a witness.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
We're not f***ing good, you pieces of
She got it on third now. She got it. Stop acting up. Stop. Stop acting up.
I'm gonna
Stop.
out of the f***ing way.
Stop.
For
Let
no
go.
reason.
Stop.
Let go.
You
Watch it.
stop, you piece of shit.
I got this arm. You got that arm?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that arm? Oh, you're so strong.
How's she sliding out of these things?
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can. We'll double
Oh, you're
handcuff
so
her.
strong. Why am I being arrested again? And treated like a animal?
Double handcuff her.
No, don't handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to do with an unbounded soul. You're like, fuck, we don't know what to do with her. Because she's going to see the out of us and our families over. And that's our livelihood. Well, that's your f***ing karma. You f***ing piece of shit.
All right, before we even talk about charges or who was right, I want you to hold on to 3 questions. 1. Why did this go from move along to handcuffs so fast? 2. How did she keep slipping restraints like that? And 3. What happens to the child after a night like this? Because the bridge scene is wild, but the real story might be what happened after the camera stops. Here's the timeline in plain English. Multiple 911 calls come in about an intoxicated woman causing a disturbance on a bridge, with traffic moving and a child present. Officer Kenny approaches and tries to talk. She immediately demands documentation and argues in the roadway. Officers try to relocate the conversation off the bridge for safety. She refuses, escalates, and then they decide to detain her. Handcuffs go on. That's the moment everything flips. She resists, goes physical, kicks, fights the restraint process, and at one point ends up in the front seat area of the patrol car. Finally, Grandma arrives and takes the child, and officers say Mom is going straight to jail. People ask this every time. Why not just talk it out? Because the location changes everything. On a bridge, with traffic, you don't have the luxury of a long debate. In situations like this, officers are juggling 2 priorities at once. 1, public safety, not letting someone intoxicated stay in a dangerous lane of traffic. And 2, scene control. Because once a crowd forms and emotions rise, it only takes one misstep for someone to get seriously hurt. So when someone refuses lawful instructions to move out of traffic and keeps escalating, detention becomes a tool to reset control. Not necessarily punishment, but containment. Now about the "you have to read me my Miranda rights" line. Here's the short version. Miranda is tied to custodial interrogation when police are questioning you while you're in custody. Detention or arrest can happen without Miranda being read on the spot, especially if officers aren't trying to interrogate, just trying to control a dangerous scene. So yelling, "Miranda," doesn't block handcuffs. It doesn't create a magic shield. What matters in the moment is, are the commands lawful and is the person complying? At first, her resistance is mostly verbal, arguing, demanding paperwork, refusing to move. Then it becomes passive resistance, refusing to walk, going limp, forcing officers to carry her weight. But once it turns active, kicking, grabbing, fighting restraints, everything changes. That's when you see additional restraints show up, shackles, a hobble, double cuffs. Not because officers want to bully someone, because once someone is actively fighting, the risk goes up for everyone, the person resisting, the officers, and the public around them. And here's the part that should make anyone nervous: the front seat breach. Officers later describe her crawling through the partition into the front seat area. Even if she never touched a weapon, that space is where control lives. Vehicle controls, radio, equipment, and yes, dangerously close to where an officer may carry their firearm. That's why officers react so urgently, because the moment someone gets into that zone, it stops being a drunk argument and becomes a serious officer safety event. And it also raises a huge question we still haven't answered. How did she slip cuffs repeatedly? And how was the partition not secured? Hold that thought. Slipping cuffs isn't magic, but it's also not common when cuffs are properly fitted. A few things can contribute. Generally speaking, cuffs placed too loose to begin with, not double locking them, very small wrists, heavy twisting, or slick movement, and pure chaos during a multi-officer struggle where everything is happening at once. In this case, officers describe her as squirmy and feisty, and the scene is crowded, loud, and physically unstable. That's often when mistakes happen, tiny ones, like a cuff not sitting exactly right. But let's talk about the part that actually sits in your stomach, the kid. He's on a bridge, watching adults in uniform restrain his mother while she screams, fights, and makes threats. Then we hear Grandma, who says the child is exhausted, emotionally done, and doesn't want to live with mom anymore. That's not just embarrassing, that's a life moment. In many situations like this, the presence of a child plus intoxication plus public disturbance can trigger a welfare review, sometimes involving family services, because the question becomes, is the child safe long-term, or was tonight the last straw in a pattern? Staying neutral. On her side, alcohol and ego turned a solvable problem into a disaster. Even if you feel wronged, fighting in traffic with your child there is the fastest way to lose everything: freedom, credibility, custody leverage, all of it. On the police side, the initial approach is calm, trying to move her off the bridge and talk. But the incident also highlights operational vulnerabilities, like the partition situation, and how quickly a combative subject can exploit small gaps. Two things can be true at the same time. Officers may be acting for safety, and the event still exposes places that departments need to tighten up. Here are the real takeaways, short and real. 1. Location matters. If you pick a fight in a dangerous place, bridge, highway shoulder, active lanes, police will prioritize control over conversation. 2. Knowing your rights doesn't mean do whatever you want. Rights protect you in court. Compliance keeps you alive in the moment. 3. If a child is present, everything gets heavier. Every scream, every kick, every accusation, your child carries that memory home. 4. For departments, partitions, locks, cuffing technique, and rapid restraint protocols aren't minor details. Tonight shows why. Now I want to hear from you. No shouting, no tribal stuff, just real answers. Was detaining her on the bridge the right call for safety? And what's your take on the front seat breach? Does that change how you see the situation? Drop your thoughts below. If you want more real body cam breakdowns, timeline clear, facts first, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And in the next case, we're covering another stop that starts as just a disturbance and ends with a decision that changes someone's life permanently. You don't want to miss it.